Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add unsubscribe link in ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is just come to the dashboard, click here on send at the top, and when you get this drop down, click on broadcast. Now we'll choose a broadcast to go ahead and edit. Let's say this one right here, so just click on edit and we'll find the email that we're going to be using. And I'll give you an example of the unsubscribe link. So for example, this one right here, where the recipient would just click on that to unsubscribe from our email list. Now to add that is very easy. Let me come here, press enter to add a new block, or you can press the plus icon here as well. To do that, I'll just go ahead and press enter. And then I want you to type this in, okay? 2 curly brackets, unsubscribe, and also put the underscore, type in a link, and add 2 curly brackets again. Okay, and then all you need to do is come here and let's go ahead and preview this, and we should have our unsubscribe link, as you can see right here. So that is how you add unsubscribe link in ConvertKit.